Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. We are back with another Nadula hair Amazon wig install. This wig is their Bye Bye Knots short silky straight bob wig. This is one of those pre-everything 13x4 lace frontal wigs, so it does come with the lace pre-cut, pre-plucked, pre-bleached with the invisible knots, and it also does have that ear tape adhesive that I've shown you guys multiple times. Now this particular wig is 100% human hair, 150% density, and I have this wig in 10 inches, and of course they are promoting it as a very quick, beginner friendly, put on and go short bob wig, which will definitely be useful for the summer. So I'm going to give you guys some close-ups per the usual, and then I'm just going to go ahead and throw this wig on and get started with the install. So I'm showing you guys the ear tape adhesive, and I've shown you guys this multiple times. Normally you just peel off that strip and you literally stick it down, but I don't know if you guys realize where that tape is, it's directly on my sideburns, and I do not like that tape sitting on my sideburns. I've had some instances where I was still able to use the tape and it wasn't as bad, but if it's lined up like that, I don't risk it. I don't play when it comes to my natural hair. You guys know that. So all I do is I just tuck it under. I don't care about a wig being a 13x4 lace frontal. It's great that I have that option, but I'm a lace closure girly anyway, so I'm just tucking it under the wig cap for now, and I'm just gonna go ahead and move on. Now I added some lace melting spray per the usual on the lace, and as the lace was melting, I went ahead and styled the rest of the hair. Again, you guys, this is just something that I'm doing. You can definitely use that ear tape adhesive if you do not have my issues. I don't know if they did some resizing of the wig caps in the lace lately, but I recently started to have this problem and I'm not too sure why. So yeah, I just don't want that tape on my hair, and I'm sure you guys can understand. But moving on, I'm just going to add some of my wax stick. I'm going to use my hot comb. I'm going to use my flat iron. I'm just going to touch up the hair a little bit just to make her look really fresh. I'm also going to add some more foundation all over that lace. Now, as far as the quality of the hair, I think the quality was pretty decent. I'm not a silky straight person, but you know, it's a bob wig, so we worked with her. It wasn't too bad. The hair wasn't too staticky. The ends weren't terrible. I did cut some of the ends just so it wasn't stringy, but it wasn't as bad. I've had worse before. I did not have any issues with shedding or tangling or smell, so this is a very simple bob wig, and for the same one that I have, it's about $105 on Amazon as of right now, and I think they do have a coupon available as well, so if you are interested, make sure you check it out. Okay, you guys, we are all finished. Very simple, right? And as you can see, that lace wasn't terrible at all. It blended in pretty nicely for a bob wig. She definitely had a lot of movement to her, a lot of density to her. So for that, we like that, okay? Nobody wants a stiff bob. So make sure you guys go ahead and you check out my description box. Everything will be listed there. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you next time.